their way over. About 7:20 in the morning. I've loaded everything up with pecans, peanuts, and seeds, and all that good stuff. Squirrels is starting to make their way down. You can hear it. Oh, you got one there. Sounds of nature. I think that's a woodpecker. Yeah. Oh. Oh, he got his peanut. Oh. Did you get one? There's the nut hut, filled all the way up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't start no trouble, guys. He's waiting his turn, this one. Yeah, he's gonna go to the other one. Smart squirrel. There you go. Plenty of food out there, guys. Who's that? Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Let me grab one. There you go. Good one. All right. I think that's Ernie. All right, guys. Play nice over here now. Play nice. Plenty of food out there, guys. These young ones just like to scrap. They're all territorial. I hear you, Crow. Oh, oh, easy now. Says this is his spot. Don't be greedy, little one. There's plenty there. Oh, another one. Oh, come on now. Be nice. Let him get one. Uh-oh. There you go. Oh. Big jump. That's funny. Uh-oh, they're coming. They're all starting to come now. Now he's got to decide which way to go. Yeah, safer. There's plenty on the floor too, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Aha. Oh, it's crows. Look at the crows. They're all gone. I like it when the crows are here. They'll chase off any hawks. Safer for the squirrels. And the other small birds. Oh, big jump and up. Oh, this guy's chowing down over here. He's making sure he gets his full. Oh, there's another one. Oh, why you gotta chase him off for? Huh? Why you gotta be greedy? It's not yours. Uh-oh. 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 Come on now. Little, oh my God, this is a little feisty one here. Yeah, go over to that one over there, guys. Don't seem to be anybody guarding that one. There you go. That bucket full right there. Yeah. Uh-oh. Go get it. Don't worry about him. He's over there. Uh-oh, he's coming back. You back out. Back out. You gotta get mad. Somebody's eating from his supply. There you go. Oh, there's a little baby over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, let me get you one. I got a good one here. Here you go. It's a big one. Tough guy. He's the tough guy. you looking at? Uh-oh, somebody's coming. Oh, big jump. They're all starting to come down now. Yeah, go get you one. Uh-oh, watch out. Oh, jump up the tree. You're going down this time, maybe down. Oh, you're going back up. Oh, there's another one. Uh-oh. Something spooked him. Uh-oh. Easy, guys. Something spooked him. Could be a hawk. Be careful, little one. I don't see anything out here. See how he stays still. Get in the trees, little one. Can't see anything. He's not sure what to make of everything. There's no alarms going on. Usually you hear the squirrel alarms, but the birds, that's another alarm for the squirrels. If the birds take off, they know something's up, but maybe not. The birds panic a lot. You looking too. Could be anything. We had some deer back here on Saturday. Little baby deer. And she sat in the back there for a little while until her mama came back, and then they took off. She might have gotten separated. Oh, dunked your head. Big jump. Alright, guys. I gotta get going. Gotta get to work. Well, I gotta get to work. My work is in my car. But I gotta prepare for the day. Alright, everybody have a blessed Monday.